How does credit card payment work? Have you ever wondered what happens behind the scenes when you make a credit card payment? It might seem simple, but there is a detailed process that ensures your transaction goes smoothly. Let's break it down step by step. First, it all starts with submission. When you decide to make a purchase, you present your credit card information to the merchant. This can be done by swiping, inserting, tapping the card, or entering your card details online. As soon as you do this, security measures kick in to protect your transaction data. Next comes authorization. The merchant sends your transaction details to their acquiring bank, also known as the merchant bank. This bank forwards your request through the card network to the issuing bank, which is the bank or credit union that issued your credit card. The issuing bank checks your account for available credit and verifies that the transaction is legitimate. If everything checks out, the issuing bank approves the transaction and places a hold on the funds. This whole process happens in just a few seconds, allowing the merchant to proceed with the sale. While authorization is happening, there is also authentication taking place. This step confirms your identity and the validity of the transaction. It helps prevent fraud by ensuring that the card details and purchase information match expected patterns. After authorization, we move on to clearing. The merchant collects all authorized transactions into batches, usually at the end of the business day. They then submit these batches to their payment processor or acquiring bank. The processor forwards these batches to the card networks, which route them to the respective issuing banks. Now, let's talk about settlement. The issuing bank transfers the funds for the approved transactions to the card network, minus interchange fees. The card network then passes the funds to the acquiring bank, deducting processing fees. Finally, the acquiring bank deposits the net amount into the merchant's account. This entire settlement process typically takes 1 to 3 business days, but it can be faster depending on the systems used. Once the transaction is settled, the issuing bank posts the transaction to your account. You will see it on your monthly credit card statement. It is important to pay at least the minimum amount due by the statement's due date to avoid interest charges, especially if you have a low-interest credit card. From the perspective of banks and credit unions, this entire process balances convenience for both cardholders and merchants while managing risks and complying with regulations. Banks issue credit cards, extend credit, and manage accounts, while credit unions often focus on competitive rates and personalized service. Understanding how credit card payments work can help you make informed decisions about your personal finance. Whether you are using a standard credit card or a low-interest credit card, knowing the payment process can enhance your financial literacy and help you manage your spending wisely.